abbreviation for Yahuwah. Shah in Hebrew means saves, salvation. Therefore, the Savior's name literally means Yahuwah saves. The translators, scribes, fueled by the evil one, have done everything possible to keep people from knowing the name of the Savior, because his name describes who he and the Father are. Yahuwah saves. This fact is also established when Musha, also known as Moses, changed the name of Husha, also known as Joshua, to Yahusha right before he sent the men out to spy on the Promised Land. Yahuwah was about to give them. Musha knew that they would need Yahuwah to deliver the enemy into their hands. The scriptures write, "These are the names of the men whom Musha, also known as Moses, sent to spy out the land." And Musha called Husha, the son of Nun, Yahusha. Bamidbar, also known as Numbers 13, verse 16. So Musha, Moses, changed Husha's, Joshua's name, to Yahusha. And this name describes our Father perfectly. Yahuwah saves. Nearly all scholars acknowledge and agree on the fact that in the Scriptures, the Savior's name and Joshua's name is the same name. In the King James Version, Abram, also known as Hebrews 4 verse 8, it reads, "For if Jesus had given them rest, then would he not afterward have spoken of another day?" KJV. In the exact same verse from the New International Version, NIV, it reads, "For if Joshua had given them rest, God would not have spoken later about another day." Two of the exact same verses in English that contain two different names. However, when we look closer at the Strong's Dictionary, the name Jesus, Strong's G2424, is rendered in Latinized Greek and pronounced Iesus, but refers us back to Joshua in Strong's H3091, which in Hebrew is spelled Yahusha. Then there is Acts 7:45, which we find the name Joshua, Strong's G2424, in English translations. What stands out is that the exact same Strong's number, G2424, is used for the name Jesus as well. This gives us clear evidence that the Savior's name was actually changed by the translators, scribes. That is what happens when translators, scribes, attempt to cover a lie. They can't consistently cover all the deceptions. The truth eventually comes out. This is